Hello, welcome back to Screen Test, and welcome, of course, to our 4 courageous contestants who are about to watch our film clips and to discover whether doing the test is quite as easy as it always seems to be when you're joining in from home. 2 of them will be going forward to the semi-finals, and at the halfway mark we'll be looking at the work of another contestant, this time a successful entry to the Young Filmmakers competition. But before we get down to the competition proper, how did you cope with the question I gave you at the end of last week's programme? In the film The Secret of Nim, I wanted to know how the mouse's cave was lit. Well, the answer was by candlelight. Though in fact it was so obvious that I think perhaps you might have missed it. Congratulations if you didn't. And now let's meet this week's contestants, who all come from the northeast of England. On the left there is Paul Minto. He's from Morpeth.
Hello.
Hello, Paul. And next to him, Judith MEHSON. Judith comes from Chesterless Street.
Hello.
Hi, Judith. On her left again, Simon Dickson. He's from Morpeth as well.
Hello.
Hello there, Simon. And finally, nearest me, TRACEY SHEAVILLS, and she's from Chesterless Street as well.
Hello.
Hello there, TRACEY. Well, nice to have you all. The boys go to Newminster County Middle School and the girls to Hermitage Comprehensive School. So, welcome to the show. Very good luck to you all. Enjoy yourselves. Off we go. Another episode from the Children's Film Foundation production Chimp Mates. This one's called Airborne, and it's another adventure that stars Alice the chimpanzee. In this scene, 2 tearaways have locked her into a glider, which is then towed aloft. But it's the boys who come down to earth with a bump.
And there's some lads down there. They better watch out.
I don't know what on earth she's doing, but she must have a reason. They must have been the ones who sent her out.
Romeo Golf to Control, do you read?
Hello, Control. They're heading towards the woods.
Roger, Romeo Golf. I've got your message, so I'll sound the alarm, over.
I'll go down and we'll join in the fun.
Some really great glider flying there. Have you ever been up in a glider, any of you? It's really super, honestly. Even more thrilling than being in Screen Test. Round 3, Simon, your turn to start us off. What was the brand name, excuse me, what was the brand name on the bags of flour?
Key.
Key, absolutely right. You couldn't wait for me to finish asking, could you? 2 marks. TRACEY, the man piloting the aeroplane used a call signal to identify himself to the man in the control tower. What was the call sign? He said something, you know, on the intercom. This is, you know how they do in aircraft. Didn't get that one. Anybody? Simon?
Romeo Golf.
Romeo Golf is the right answer. So, Simon picks up a bonus point. Well done. Paul, why did the pilot of the plane say he wanted to go down?
To join in the fun.
Absolutely right. He's broken his duck. 2 marks. Jolly good. Slap on the back. Judith. We saw the boys and the girls running out of an old aeroplane and out of their headquarters building, but what alarm signal was being sounded at the time?
A bell.
A bell was being rung. That's quite right, so you've got 2 marks. So, you can see at the end of round 3 that certainly Paul's in a healthier position. He's got 2 marks. Tracy's got 4. Judith has got 6. Simon is just in front with 7. So that